Network Entertainment.
Hello sa inyo lahat. Before we proceed to the episode, gusto ko lang kayo i-invite ulit na mag-join ng FB group namin. Walang edit with Leland. Currently, nasa 666 members na kami. Very unlucky number. Pero sana, ikaw na yung next na mag-join. Kaso, sobrang ahead nitong episode. Siguro nasa ano na ako. 668.
69. Oh.
High hopes. Pero yun, mag-join kayo doon and please post kasi ako lang and si Jad yung nagpo-post. Tsaka pansinin nyo si Jad pag nagpo-post siya. Kabilang siya sa atin. As you can see, may negative space na katabi yung guest namin. Late po siya, mga kaibigan, dahil meron pa siyang day job. Yung po ang rason nun. Pero again, gusto ko rin pala mag-thank you sa lahat ng nagpadala ng stuff sa past few episodes. Bedala ako ng linya-linya ng shirt. Pinadala ako ng The Projects PH ng shirt, yung sinigang. Lapit nun. Pero pa akong kare-kare na puto gumbong. Fate and Beats pala. Ito, yung suot ko ngayon. Pampasmart. Get your personalized bracelets. And our guest for this episode ay one of my closest friends in comedy and in life na rin. Sige. Madalas kami kumain sa Denny's after ng show. And madalas kami mag-ingay with our improv games na hindi ko alam kung to improv games nga. At madalas kaming humingi ng free bread sa Denny's. Shout out Denny's.
Denny's Uptown Branch specifically.
Uptown Branch. And she is a comedian, stand-up comedian, improviser, commercial model, one half of the Baus and Isa show, one member of the Housemates improv group, member of the... Nandun ka rin ba sa ano?
Oo.
Ayun, nandun rin siya sa Noted with Thanks improv group. So, i-follow nyo lahat ng yun. Ano pa bang ginawa niya? One of the youngest standout females in the industry of stand-up comedy. One of the highly respected ones. Nakapagpuno na to ng theater show with Baus Rufo. Shout out Baus. Baka naman ma-invite ako ulit dyan sa podcast nyo. Walang iba kundi the one and only Anissa Villaverde. Woo!
Hello. Grabe naman pag-hype sa akin.
Ganun talaga kami dito.
Full LinkedIn.
Para pag sobrang sumikat na yung mga guests, hindi nila makalimutan na, hey, in-acknowledge ko kayo.
Star ka dito pa lang.
Kamusta ka naman, Isa? Sorry pala, na-late din ako.
I'm fine. Nababribe naman ako with dinner and kamote chips.
Chips.
I'm good. Just got back from the dentist. I got my
Libre?
commercial smile back. Hindi.
Binera mo?
Oo, extra na to.
Grabe. Ilibre nyo na yung mga...
Baka naman, kailangan ko rin po ng wisdom tooth removal.
Ako din!
Kung merong sponsors out there.
Gago. Yung wisdom tooth mo, pag-usapan natin saglit. Kasi ako din eh. Dalawa yung sa akin.
Oo, parehas impacted pa.
Gago.
So, ganun na siya with my,
Tapos ang mahal.
Ang mahal.
Mahal. Meron silang package. Syempre, hindi naman pwedeng isa lang.
Oo.
Diba? Masakit. Hindi pantay. So, parang dalawa.
Pero the recovery din, if isabay mo, medyo malali.
Dapat
kasi
may days.
You'll be, para ka may beke for a few days. If you do
Beke
it both.
naman.
Beke naman. Sobrang
Sponsored.
pinaplug lang natin si Baus. Pero yun, that's that.
Ano pinayos mo?
Meron akong, a previous dentist flopped my root canal, tapos nasira ang ngipin ko. So I got, actually, this was sobrang universal coincidence kasi shout out to iSmile. I got my teeth whitening there. Tapos sobrang nagustuhan ko lang yung clinic. You know what? I'll do my other teeth stuff here.
Okay.
Tapos sakto nasira yung ngipin ko.
So bumalik ka?
Dok, balik ako dyan. And now, Tapos yun pa, naka-specialize siya in like cosmetic smiles. Hindi yung basta HMO, bare minimum.
Yung HMO na,
alam mo yun,
alam mo yung
dentist.
3 pasta a year.
Oo.
3 pasta, 3 cleaning.
Oo, yung parang ano ka lang sa kanya. Like, ticket number 5 ka lang sa kanya. Tapos next, ganun. Ito, may effort sila to like.
Okay.
Make
Oo,
it
kasi
pretty.
kailangan ni Isa yung, ano niya, yung
Yes, face card.
face card niya to keep it,
Mm-hmm.
at the maximum level of quality.
Uh-huh.
Kasi, lumalabas siya sa commercials.
Yes.
Anong
may
latest
caster din dyan.
commercial mo? Pwede sabihin ba?
Daming naka-NDA pa. Pero,
Gago,
Okay.
ayusin mo yun.
ano na lang, the last thing that was aired, at least, was Tissue. Where, is yung Tissue brand, the spelling niya, Tissue.
yeah. I buy
Where I
that.
got to work with comedy director, Joel Ferrer.
Uy!
Yeah!
Direct Joel?
Oh, Direct Joel!
Nice.
Tapos, nakakatuwa. Yung lahat ng kasama ko sa cast. Alam mo yung mga teatro comedian.
Okay.
Or like, nakita mo lang sa film lagi. Tapos, oh, I belong here. Tapos, ang chill lang din ni Direk.
What's the difference between a theater comedian and stand-up comedian, I guess?
I would say,
Whoa!
whoa, what's happening?
Okay,
Siya makita magic, guys.
Sige, makita ng magic.
Sige. Ano magic word, Leland?
Magic word ay ang late dapat pinapatay.
Ang late dapat pinapatay.
Sing!
Yay!
Okay,
Gago, sobrang fresh from commute pa.
What a first.
before we continue
Oh my gosh.
with the show,
That's how much walang edit tol, man. I just walked in.
ang lalaki, as in, pumasok lang siya eh.
Oo, you can't do the magic effect kasi magkakaroon ng edit. Maka-cancel out yung title
Hindi,
niya.
parang ayoko i-edit.
Sige.
I want
parang
Kunyari
funny.
my integrity sa show na
May
to.
jump cut na lang.
Oh, yung parang, yung mga, ano yun, yung King, si King edits. Ano pangalan niya? Si Dutch King something.
yung African-American guy.
Hindi, the Asian guy.
Ay,
Yung parang bigla na siya gagano.
I think that's close enough.
Dito na ako. Sa mga nakikinig lang, mag-turn on kayo ng video para makita niyo yung mga sinasabi namin.
So,
Anyway, back to the show.
okay.
Naalala ko yung Magic 89.9
Show must
days.
go on.
Yung mga bigla na lang may dumadating na, alam mo yun, na guest. Na, oy.
Sobrang casualan lang.
That's
Magic,
the reason.
shout out.
That's actually the reason why I'm late to, to pay a homage to my favorite radio station, Magic 89.9.
The only station that you could understand.
Yes. Kapag wala nun, 99.5, Play FM.
And
Play
none for Bombo Radyo.
Bombo Radyo!
But yeah, if anyone's wondering,
Radyo.
yung MRT, saksang yung crowdedness. Saksang, from Shaw to Bonnie.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga staplers na nakikinig na, first time mo malate? There's always a first. Salamat kasi Isa guest natin
Oo
ngayon.
nga eh.
Ah,
Humble
grabe.
beginnings pa ako eh.
Grabe, no, just because she's a friend of ours doesn't mean, we can be late.
Hindi ka nag-sorry eh. Nagsalita ka agad.
Oh, so sorry, Isa. It's an honor to
galit ako
have you
dyan.
on, friend.
Alam mo, dumating si Isa dito an hour before recording.
Well,
As a professional.
My God.
she's showing us how it's done.
Yeah. Anyway, back to
Yeah.
the question.
What's up?
Ang question is,
Pinag-usapan natin.
eto,
Walay settle
anong
in.
pagkakaiba ng theater actor
Theater actor.
and actress?
Well, yeah.
Oh, theater actors from stand-up comedians.
Stand-up or improv, I would say. They have more... They're just so much more animated right off the bat.
Yung improvisers.
No, like
Theater.
theater people. Kasi nga, they've already studied how they look like on stage,
okay.
what to do with their hands even. Yung ganun.
Okay.
Versus, ako, because stand-up and improv is hugely reliant on, ano na yung personality ko. So parang when I perform my thing, I get by with just being myself. Pero when I'm playing a character, especially on camera, may mga things na, dapat lakihan ko pa pala. Yung mukha ko pala,
Diba
kailangan mas
nakaka-conscious yun?
Well, for one, yes. Kasi nga, pag actor ka, dapat di ka takot maging pangit. Gets ba? Kasi nga, they'll make you do a lot of shit, pero hindi ikaw yun. You're playing a role. But, on the other hand, ang saya niya. Para lang akong... It's like, when I do commercials specifically, I feel like I'm in a Barbie dream house.
Okay.
Kasi I'm playing a role, tapos pag commercial, kailangan perfect lahat, masaya kayo lahat. Everything is planned out to the T. Lahat may brand colors. So
would you say that you like shooting a commercial better than shooting your own content?
Yeah, honestly.
Talaga? Wow.
Kaya nga, I don't...
You don't miss the freedom?
Hindi ako... Di ba, yung content ko, hindi ako ma-sketch.
Hindi nga.
Unless like it's very low lift. Pero, kasi I enjoy the performance side of it. When you're doing your own content, ikaw lahat eh. Right. Ikaw mag-shoot, ikaw mag-edit, ikaw mag-PPD. Kaya I enjoy shooting sketches with Solid OK. Kailangan group kami. Or, yun nga, I enjoy shooting commercials for that reason din. Kasi, mas nakaka-escape ka into a different world.
So, mas gusto mo yun.
Oo.
Medyo may full circle moment ka rin eh. Kasi you're from advertising.
Yes. I went through it all. I started
copywriter.
I started writing commercials and then I started voicing commercials.
Voice actor pa.
Now I'm acting in
See, Judd, see what you can do.
You guys are my my idols in terms of the path.
Sumali ka ba ng mga award shows sa advertising? Like Kidlat, ganyan.
Oo, yung mga young creatives. Bugbog din ako dun.
Yung tipong 24 hours, mag-iisip kayo ng bawal matulog.
I went through that. And I'm done.
Yeah. Same.
I'm done with that.
I'm still in the trenches, literally.
Ayan, kaya siya late.
Came from my advertising job.
Sarap po. Gising ka 11 a.m.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos tulog ka ng 11 a.m.
Tapos questionin mo existence mo, mga 1 a.m. Kapag wala pa kayong idea.
But is there a role that you are afraid of? For example, in acting, I'm afraid of getting casted in a romantic role because I don't want to kiss a random person.
Really?
I don't want to I don't want to kiss anyone who's not my girlfriend. So parang if I get
you think that's cheating?
Wait, I'm not comfortable lang.
Yes.
What if it was a shiny stapler?
What if it was?
Basta, I think it's more than just the stapler thing. Baka I'm just not comfortable lang kissing
that's your thing.
people who I'm not, who aren't my girlfriend.
Okay.
So, ikaw, do you have a role na ayaw mo talaga?
Ako, I'm willing to try.
Okay, eto yung scene.
Okay.
Ano siya?
Yes, direct. Yes po.
Biscuit brand siya. So, open tayo sa isang bench.
I love this.
Kumakain ka ng biscuit. Mag-isa ka lang. Yung hair mo, ng wind. And then, nahulog yung biscuit.
Nako!
And then, nag-slow-mo. Nag-pan yung camera from top to bottom. And then, before mahulog ng biscuit, may sumalo.
Oo.
Pero yung kamay niya kulay green.
Whoa! Okay.
Hindi siya normal person from outer space siya. Tapos binigay niya sa'yo. Sabi niya, is this yours? Sabi niya gano'n. So, consumption shot.
Sige. Pero galing na sa green na.
Oo.
So, dapat, ano pong feelings dito, Direk? Dapat,
pagkakuha mo, you were shocked, but at the same time, interested ka.
What's happening? What's going on? Yeah.
Tapos parang, and then, I'll reach for it.
And then, right before you take a bite, music starts playing.
Fuji dance. Quality above.
Sabi ko pa lang, when I met you.
Pasok product free.
And then, kagat ng biscuit. RTB, Reason to Believe.
Creamy.
Creamy, crunchy. And then, yung line niya, ang biscuit na out of this world.
Whoa!
Anong brand name?
Fuji Denso.
Biscuit na out of this world.
It's their
Baka
new...
naman. Wala
Fuji
pa ako ref.
Denso. Baka lang.
Their new reps for space.
Baka lang.
Yan yung bagong technology na.
Sorry, yun yung bagong vocal stem eh. Lagi ko lang siyang kinakanta.
Fuji Denso.
Quality above all. Di mo
May
narinig yun?
lines pala after
It's
that.
an appliance, bro.
Ang galing nila na.
Shout out Fuji Denso. Kayo yung water dispenser dito.
Nice.
Magnet.
Oh my
Kaya ako
God.
naalala.
Sa studio.
We walk the talk.
Yeah.
We love you guys.
Fuji Denso.
So how was that?
Denso na mga Fuji. Alright. What's your ano? What's your... Excited
Ano,
na ako.
ano?
Alam ko, early pa tayo in the
Yeah.
podcast.
Uh.
Pero gusto ko na agad itanong. Ito ang, who's on your list?
Who's on your list?
Okay. Isa
Oh, yes.
Villaverde.
Mhm.
Ano ang top 3 commercials mo of all time?
this is so hard. Okay.
You can include the ones you're in.
Okay. Sige.
If you're narcissistic
Very
like
bad?
that.
Sige.
Baka may lockout ka.
Oh, yeah. No
Honestly,
competitors.
okay, sige.
Hmm.
Yung top 3 ko, for personal reasons, BPI. Because it was my biggest shoot to date.
Oh, gagi. Wait
and
lang.
I did the most there. And meron pang parating.
Parang may
Ang
series
more
eh.
material.
Alam mo ba, piniplay yung BPI commercial ni Isa sa Siyang. Minessage ko siya, gago nandito ako sa Siyang. Ang laki. Like, sa harap yata ng coffee department yun.
Yeah.
Di ko alam.
Department of
Basta,
Coffee.
ang laki, dude.
Yeah.
Pang Siyang market.
Hey,
On
brands,
anyone who's starting an account with BPI, I will harass you till you get to the counter.
Yeah.
Yun lang, magpa-play lang pa ulit. Tsaka, it was the most fun shoot. I felt like I was in a Barbie dream house kasi ang dami niyang set, dami niyang costume change. And I had to learn a lot of different fitness and sports
Right.
things. So,
Parang Marvel character.
very,
have to get
yun
in
yung
shape.
physical 100 ko.
Ano title nung commercial?
It was the Flex series.
The
Nandun siya sa
Flex
YouTube.
series.
The series to.
BPI, baka naman.
Oh,
baka
baka
naman.
naman.
Yeah.
Baka
Ang dami
naman.
kong red shirt.
Former banker ako. Former banker.
ay, oo nga.
So, ano na interest, savings, bilang BPI.
Siyempre, di natin i-mention yung ano. So that's my third. Second, legit favorite ad because it's what pushed me to want to be a copywriter. It was Selecta Corneto, Tugs Tugs.
Ay.
Hanggang sa naabot 20
Yung 20
pesos.
pesos, dude.
The very first Tugs Tugs. And naging boss ko yung CD and writer noon.
Sino CD
sa
nun?
Low. Kaya ako doon nag-apply.
Can
kasi
we shout
doon
the
galing.
person out?
Yes, Abby Aquino.
Abby
Hi.
Aquino.
No way.
All the iconic Selecta things na, so Tugs Tugs, tsaka 3 in 1 plus 1.
Happy ka arawan.
Pati yung
Medyo
Gala
ako-
Carmina,
good.
it's all theirs.
Medyo ako doon, hindi ko pwede sabihin.
Selecta, baka naman. Baka naman.
But that's my favorite commercial as a
Yeah.
kid too, yung 20
Kasi,
pesos.
it defined a generation, I would say. Parang, dun ako I wanna write funny stuff like this.
Right.
For me, that was the funniest commercial I've ever seen.
Yeah.
At that
series
time,
yun
at
eh.
the time.
Serious siya, parang sobrang piniga nila.
Yeah.
May
And then yung
haircut
lead
version.
actor doon, after nung Corneto na yon, hindi ko alam if
Si Seth
after or
Cadayon
before,
ba yun?
naging superstar siya sa
Yeah.
Bubble Gang.
Wow, dude.
So parang, yeah, memorable yun.
Tsaka nung na rin, nung nasa low na ako. Tapos, yung parang mga sequels na lang. I was also like, may graveyard kami of ideas na hindi nakapasa. Dun sa hanggang saan aabot. Pero mga jokes lang din na hindi pumas. Yeah, it was, again, medyo personal.
Can you share any of the rejected ideas? The most
Hindi,
cancelable.
sorry,
that
by
is.
NDA. Feel ko
Hindi pwede.
Kasi
Hindi pwede. Brand yun
it's
eh.
owned by the
Damn,
agency.
okay.
Saka brand yun.
Brand yun, cannot.
Alam mo ba, kumukuha ako dati. Nasa advertising pa ako. Di ba may mga strat yan?
Oo.
Sa mga nasa advertising. May insights, may strategy team, and then babato sa creatives. Doon ako kumukuha ng insights minsan for comedy.
Yeah, kasi,
Like yung statistics, yung data. From there, I use it for stand-up.
yeah.
Kasi reliable agad eh.
Oo, tama.
So parang okay yun interesting yun Talaga, mahilig ang mga lola sa ganito-ganyan. Diba?
Sa Fuji Denso.
Sa Fuji Denso, ang ref ng mga lola.
Fuji Denso, ref ng mga lola. Tapos,
That's my favorite line.
may top, honestly, it's just a tagline. Pwede ba yun?
Oh, naman.
So,
Yeah.
my most favorite tagline in the world. Kasi it's so smart and bobo at the same time. It is by a very small, very small. It's by a small pansit bihon brand na
Ano to?
Komeya. Tapos yung
Komeya?
tagline nila, ang ibig ko sa bihon, Komeya.
Parang nakita ko yan.
It's the best.
Parang
It's
nakita.
the best.
Did it not trend?
Hindi siya, alam mo yung mga,
Underrated.
di ko alam kung saan siya binibenta. Feel ko sa mga probinsya lang. Tapos yung
Okay.
meron silang very low budget commercials lang na feel ko 3 a.m. lang sa morning TV pinapalabas.
Sayang.
Ang ibig
Pero sa bihon.
Ang
Tsaka yung
ibig.
commercial niya. Oh, sorry. I will
Nerd
fangirl
out.
about Komeya.
Hmm.
Tapos, yung commercial niya, meron lang bumibirit yung, may jingle sila na bumibirit for no reason. Yung ano, ang ibig ko sa bihon, Komeya. Ang ibig ko sa bihon, masarap talaga. Tapos
Pucha full.
tapos 5 a.m. mo lang siya mamamanood.
Ang labo. Ilagay nyo sa prime time.
Yeah.
Ilagay nyo sa
So-
7 a.m.
Commuting time.
Parang, damn.
Okay,
Ang ibig
okay.
ko sa bihon.
Okay.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Deserves
Eto,
a can.
minisip na ako agad na commercial sa ibig ko sabihin. So, open tayo. Kumakain ako agad
Yes, pa direct.
ng Komeya. Tanungin mo, kamusta na ako?
Kamusta ka?
Ha?
Ano sinasabi mo? What does it mean?
Ang ibig ko sabihin, ang sarap nito.
Hey!
Fuji Denso!
Ang sarap ng Komeya.
Komeya.
Yeah. It's a series. Tapos may alien bigla.
Oo.
Played.
Is this yours?
Ang ibig ko sabihin. Hindi ko alam bakit
Wala,
naging...
ayun.
Okay.
Played siya by Coco Martin, by the way.
Wow.
Pero wala lang, may budget.
May problem ka ba kay Sir Coco?
He's the solution, pare.
He's the solution.
To every commercial.
He is.
Honestly.
Wala akong maisip.
Yeah.
Hire mo si Coco. Diba?
Foodie
Ikaw,
Denso.
Na your favorite ka ba?
Copywriter ka ngayon.
You're fairly new.
Ano ang paborito mong Pinoy ad of all time?
I was gonna say that yung 20 pesos corneto. But sige, new one.
Para ganyan ka rin nung nag-work tayo pag may nakaisip. Sabihin mo, naisip ko rin yun pero sige, isip
sige,
ko.
sige.
I was gonna
To delay.
Yo, man. Why do you gotta... It was such a spot-on impression of me. Sige, recent one, yung cocoa milk tea. Ito yung in-answer ko sa interview ko nga when I got hired. Yung tipong, it started
Ses Drillon.
Ses Derlon.
Yeah, that was cute.
Ito ba yung gigil?
Gigi.
Yes. Tapos,
Stress Drillon.
tapos
Ganda
stress
nung
siya.
OH na yun.
And then yun, she would bang the straw in the giant.
What? Wait, what?
She would penetrate the cocoa milk tea with a straw.
Using of
A straw.
Okay.
So galing, they hijacked the phrase stress Derlon.
Ganda.
Tapos they showed na you can do that with the milk tea.
Yeah.
Merong isang, kailan ba nag-start na gigil lang lahat?
I
Yung
think
nagpo-viral.
since RC Cola.
RC Cola, no?
Yun,
Yeah.
Okay.
Then they moved on.
Hi,
na-
Direct Marius. Baka naman. Baka naman.
Ginagawa ko sila sa shoutout Gigil. Ginagawa ko sila sa isang show sa Mo's. Kasi nandun yung Gigil na team.
Ooh.
Tapos sabi ko
mo,
lang,
man.
shit, ang sarap. Pwede ko na sabihin to, ano?
Oh.
Wala na ako eh. Sabi ko lang, actually, hindi naman Coke yung kalaban nyo eh. 'Di ba? Kalaban ng RC Ice Tubig eh. Kasi sila yung pinagawang
Naalala ko yun.
pustahan sa basketball. So, isang RC. So, dami ko naisip before na what if gawa sila ng commercial na RC. Tapos nagpupustahan lang yung mga tao. Tapos isang RC. Wala lang. Anyway.
Ikaw,
Yes.
bro, what's your favorite ad of all time? Local.
I have it. First is, in no particular order, but the top 3 to. Yung una is yung TM Power to the People.
Ooh,
Yung text, ting! Alam mo yan? Yung cowboy siya.
Power to the people.
Text niya lang yung mga ibang cowboy sa taas na gano'n. Ganda!
Okay.
Ang simple lang. Text. Tas
Catchy.
lahat. Unlimited yun. And ginawa yun yung CD ko before. Alam ko, sorry, wag niyo patayin. Alam ko, kay Third Domingo yata yan.
Shout out Third. As if I know him.
Pangalawa, Fita, syempre.
Oo.
Yung Fita.
Ay, shit.
how does it
Naging
go?
boss ko rin yung art director
Hindi mo alam
nun.
yan.
How does this go?
Oh my God.
Sports car, yung red.
Sports car yung
How
red.
dare you?
Tapos ano?
Galing din yun sa
Tapos,
loob.
dude, the Lola.
Yeah.
Ito tapos may sports car. Of
Dahil
course,
busilak
man.
niya yung puso. Pwede
Ganun
kang
na.
bigyan ng one wish. Tapos kalahati lang kasi binigay.
Sports car yung red.
Red.
Tapos binigyan siya ng 40 luxury cars. So, ooh.
Hindi
Good one,
yun
good one.
nangyari.
Hindi ba yun yung nangyari?
Kalahating kotse lang.
Kalahati lang. Pangatlo, probably, ayoko nang gawa ko eh.
Bakit? Or ba, any personal reason?
I'm sure the listeners wanna know what you've done.
Oo nga. Adi,
na-
sige, after yun, yung gawa natin.
Sige. Pero ito, I think, yung pangatlo, it's hard not to put it there. Kasi sila yung nag-breakthrough, I would think, sa mainstream media. Yung RCA, dapat nandun yun.
RCA.
RC Cola.
RC Cola.
Yung ito, pandemic.
Yeah.
Kasi, ano siya eh, global phenomenon
Gets.
siya eh.
Gets.
Outside of advertising, na-feature siya sa ganitong sa Ellen.
Tsaka, at the time na medyo nawawala na ng spice ang mga
ads.
commercials,
Yeah.
RC ate that, honestly.
Deserve nila yung
Tsaka,
spot na yun.
oo. Alam mo yung lahat ng kliyente, naging peg sila na, dapat sing viral ng RC Cola. Iritang-irita kami nun. Pero,
Ang requirement sa
Requirement
brief,
nun.
create a viral ad. Tangina, paano yun?
ano yun?
Diba? So, yeah. And then, may isa pa ako eh. Pero anyway.
Na ginawa
What
mo.
if yung gawa mo naman?
Gawa
Any
ko?
personal highlights?
Shit, nakakaya.
Di ba you can say anything naman na since you're not part of the agency na?
I don't know.
Anything non-incriminating.
I did may mga NDA daw eh. So,
Kasi you did,
Gets.
di ba you did one with a you were in the commercial.
Meron ka?
Kasi you made it, or you were in the team, but the actor couldn't execute it well. So you suggested how to do it.
yeah, I
and then
don't
they
wanna
made
say
you...
the brand, Jud. They
Sige.
can trace it back to me.
Sige.
Okay.
Pero it was,
Bawal.
Fujitem!
Trace it back to Leland.
That was cool.
Branded
That was
to
cool.
Okay.
It's the best.
Eto
Ano?
tawag dito. When did you realize na I'ma leave, I'ma do my thing, I'ma do comedy,
Ooh.
I'ma do improv.
Yeah. How many
I'ma do-
followers did it make you think?
Ito, a weird. So, stand-up was really picking up, and like the agency I was working in, very supportive sila of it. Like, even my team was the first few people to watch
Okay.
my shows. Like, they allowed me to do my thing. Tapos, the work was going well, sure. Pero, nung sinabi sa akin, uy, mag-promote ka na this year.
As to,
Baliktad yung effect sa akin.
More
As in,
work?
No. Parang di
To
na
ano?
magagawa stand-up. Tsaka, yung parang alam kong all the fun things that I do already in advertising, yun na lang yung gusto ko, mawawala pa.
Right.
Kasi the more you go up in the corporate world,
Yep.
the more admin-y.
project
your thing.
management,
More
people
you
management.
care about your juniors' careers. I just wanna
Boo.
write fun.
Yeah.
Boring. Yeah, man.
Pero,
Guys, I'm
hindi yun.
scheduling a brainstorming.
Oo, ganon.
Oh
Tapos
my
yung
God.
kailangan smart ka na for most of compared to kung writer lang ako.
Yeah.
I can just be quirky and the clients are amused by me.
Even if rejected. Alam mo
Oo,
yun.
so parang nung kinausap ko na, you know what? I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna be trapped here.
Totoo.
Medyo ganun siya, parang the more you're in it, mas mahirap na umalis.
Sabi nga nila, the promotion is a trap.
Uji Danzo.
Promotions are a trap.
Tulad ng mga meat mo sa freezer namin. Trap.
So you would have been
Ano ibig mo sabihon?
Uy, itigil mo muna yung pakikinig ng podcast na to.
Tama.
Wag naman kasi yung puro nakakatulong sa buhay, mga advice, love life, cheche, bureche.
Oo, gaganda buhay mo dyan.
Dito na kayo sa podcast na sisira ng buhay nyo. Ito ay ang
The Cool Pals!
Ano bang meron sa The Cool Pals?
Siyempre.
Marami yan. Yung aayusin namin ang buhay nyo.
Tapos sisirain namin.
Para mas masakit.
At pagkatapos yung pakinggan ng podcast namin, hindi mo na kami makakalimutan.
Oo, give us a.
Dahil kami ang Itbulaga ng podcast.
Pap.
Mali!
Mali. Pepe.
Yan.
Wait, you would have been a creative director now or associate creative director?
ACD pa lang.
Damn!
So, parang dun pa lang,
Stressful
naman,
yun.
pero, ayun nga, I'm so grateful to the team I had na sobrang supportive nila of me. Parang, as in, sabi pa nung creative father namin nun, hi, Tito Jers. I don't know if makikinig kang podcast.
Tito Jeff!
Tito Joe!
Jers. Ayun, sabi pa Tito Jers, yeah, go be a star. Sige.
Wow.
Tapos, ganun. Tapos
Ganda
parang,
ng
ang sabi niya lang, we're always here if you wanna go back.
Okay.
Try mo muna yan. Ganun siyang kind of guy. So,
What a guy.
even may creative moms at the time, para, sige, go, you are so good at that. Go do that first. And I never went back.
Ilang years na?
Oo.
Since na-quit ka?
2023?
3 years? 2 years? Yeah, 2023
From
pala.
making-
2 years, yeah.
From making ads to being
Yeah.
in ads.
Yeah, so inikot ko lang din yung the circle.
Yeah.
Pero ayun, I do miss, one of the parts I miss about writing kasi I was the go-to jingle maker.
Anong jingle mga ginawa mo?
Dami, diba? Up to
Di
now.
ko alam if alam niyo, Cherry Forever.
Cherry Forever!
Yan.
Yun yung retro.
That was my first, yes.
Ganda
yung
nun.
lyric roll namin
Ah.
yung voice. Yun lang. Tapos ang tanga lang, yun nga, may energy siya na ibig ko sabihin. Together forever.
Okay.
Tsaka, achievement ko doon, nalagay ko sa lyrics yung chlorella growth factor.
Chlorella growth factor.
Piliin ang merong chlorella growth factor.
Without
at
it sounding
sustansya.
forced.
Yeah.
Galing.
Okay.
That was nice. Tsaka, favorite ko din, I don't know if you, nahagip kayo ng AirAsia's Red Hot Seat Sale.
Ano yan?
Kasi I wrote a rap.
Yeah, you told
Sorry,
me about it.
Kaya mo gawin?
Sige. Basta yung, alam ko memories ko pa, Basta it's about, parang taking pride in being a tipid traveler.
Okay.
Oo.
Wait!
Alam
Ito
mo
ba
yan?
yung piniplay pag nagbo-board ka sa
Red Hot Seat
AirAsia?
Sale. Di ko alam kung piniplay pa nila.
Yeah, oo.
That was the
Anyway.
thing. Ayun. Red hot seat sale.
Yeah.
For
Sige,
all the
Jud, simulan mo.
crazy-
Dali, gawin
Yeah,
natin.
diba?
Pra.
Dali.
Wow.
Sige.
What do I do?
Beatbox.
Teka
Okay.
lang. Basta yung ano lang niya, piniflex, yung whole lyrics, piniflex lang niya na
Red Hot.
mukha siyang jet setter, pero tipid lang yan. So may lyrics na yung designer bag, tiyanggi lang dun sa tay-tay, fur coat, kakabili ko lang sa ukay, pati hat, book scarf, lalalala. And may airfare, piso lang. Ay, iba. Red
First
Hot,
name
Red Hot.
Asia.
Ganon.
First.
Pero meron din akong isa na it was, di na ata piniplay now. Pero meron akong Christmas jingle for SM Malls naman. Na I always hear it pag Christmas kasi it's a Christmas jingle. Happy Holidays yung
Happy
title niya.
Holidays.
Yeah.
Diba si Chan, shout out Chan, another comedian. He told you diba he was walking in a mall one time. Then he heard that Christmas jingle.
Yeah! So natutuwa pa ako na, meron pa akong konting legacy.
Isas
that no one
everywhere.
knows.
Alam mo, daya
I wrote-
namin yan ng mga friends ko na mga CD na rin ngayon. Na parang, alam ko ayaw nyo aminin, okay? Pero ang daya sa lahat, if wala ka nang maisip, gawa mo ng jingle. Yun
Tama.
talaga.
Parang Fuji Denzo.
As an execution.
As an execution.
Oh,
Gawa,
totoo.
lagay mo lang yun. Ang dali lang gumawa ng jingle. Pero yun yung pinakamasaya.
Yun
Kasi
yung
pag ginawa,
masaya.
pag pinresent mo siya sa kliyente,
Matutuwa.
buhay agad sila eh. Tapos, magkakaroon sila ng LSS, tapos ikaw na yung pipiliin. Di ba? Or kung hindi ka man mapili, maaalala ka nila.
Oh, cheat code siya, no?
Cheat code yan. Dami mo ginawang jingle before na bawal ko sabihin ngayon.
Tomorrow.
Bawal.
Pwede na ba yan?
With your credit eh.
Okay.
Basta na-air na. Yung mga hindi na-approve, yun yung, oops.
It could be used pa.
Some of my favorite ideas din yung mga binaril before it was produced.
Okay.
Yun hindi ko masakwento. But if it's out, you can claim it's yours.
Okay.
Pero ba?
Wag na.
Ayaw, hindi ko proud.
Hindi ako sure eh.
Bakit?
Hindi ako sure na pwede. Kasi
walang edit-edit to eh.
Wag natin. Baka may ano.
Okay.
Pero it starts with the letter
Fujidenzo.
Tangina, mumuhunan yung Fujidenzo sa episode na to.
Quality above
What would it take for you guys to go back to advertising?
Ayoko na pag-usapan ngayon. Gusto ko na lumipat sa ibang topic.
Sige.
Ganon ko siya kaayaw na balikan. Not because I hate it I just
You've closed
love
that.
this more.
Yes.
Sinabi ko to sa podcast ko with Baus before. Na parang, nung nasa advertising pa ako, I can't decide eh. Kasi,
Gets.
ang dami ko nagagawa sa advertising na, wow, I'm doing this now. Ang dami.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh, pretty cool, early in my career. Pero gusto ko yun yung stand-up. So, ang hirap mamili knowing na pareho mo siyang kaya eh. So, sabi ko, hindi. Sige, advertising, nandyan lang yan. Pero itong stand-up, the doors might close.
Really?
You need to
Get it.
strike right now.
Lalo na while it's growing or booming right now.
Honestly,
Baka
gets.
mas mahirap in the future.
Kasi we are at the, kumbaga, parang industrial age na.
Oo.
Ang scene gets ba?
Tapos na yung
parang,
Stone Age.
Oo. Medyo, we are growing.
It's yeah. It's exciting times, as they say.
Very exciting times.
Wait
Pero
lang.
yun. Oh.
Gusto ko nang pasukin tong segment na to.
Ooh.
Kasi we've been talking ni Isa kanina regarding sa mga takes. Dami naming takes.
Alright.
Nung late pa si Judd, nung wala pa siya. So, dito na tayo sa tinatawag namin na unfiltered take.
Unfiltered takes. Thank you, Isa.
Okay. Ang unfiltered takes, if hindi nyo alam, if first time nyo makinig sa podcast na to, basically, it's any take, any hot take, pet peeve, any, opinion that you want to express and share with the staplers. Yun yung unfiltered take. Do you have an unfiltered take?
Sige, I have one. Let's stop. Okay, I think we should stop shipping people who are taken. Kasi parang kadalasan, and I've been guilty of shipping my office mates who are taken. Kasi it's cute. Kasi parang you catch them talking in a corner. Uy, may something.
Yung naglalaplapan bigla.
HR.
Ano ba? Sabi mo sa corner eh.
No, they're just like, printing something lang together. And then we're like, uy, issue. Medyo, for me, rude if they're taken. Rude to them, rude to their significant others. If you're gonna ship them in the office or whatever, in your friend group, you know naman they're taken.
That's a really good take, I guess.
Interesting.
Kasi uso yan sa office.
It's a lot more
setting.
popular, yeah.
Yung mga, that's my work wife. May ganun ba kayo?
Gago.
Wait. That's another one. That's another term I don't
Pag-usapan
like.
natin yan.
Ito kasi, merong
Masarap
Bango.
Masarap ng Dion.
Ang ibig ko sabihin. Pero there are people, yung alam mo, kunyari, I call Baus my comedy wife. Kasi alam mong, walang malis whatsoever.
Obviously.
Yung pag obviously walang,
Kapag, different sexual orientation na, kunyari, he's gay, he's attracted to men, you're not a man.
Hindi naman. Obvious naman eh.
pag there is energy, you know, kunyari, they have to be very clearly platonic. Yung parang,
That no one would question
they
it.
would
Yeah.
never.
Siguro may ganun na
Ganun.
parang, that'll never happen in a million years.
Oo.
Kasing
Mga
energy
ganong-
nila.
Pero kasi when you normalize yung work wife, work husband,
It might lead to
it
stuff.
sounds parang
But to me, the
inappropriate.
responsibility is on people who are being
Yeah.
shipped, not everyone else. Parang, ang daling maging faithful to your partner na lang.
What
But
if,
I don't know. That's just,
Gets ko how,
hot take nga naman siya.
Gets ko how there are people who will behave using that trend. Pero baka that trend will also open up doors for people to, get tempted or think of things.
So,
Well, that's
kasalanan
on
ng iba?
them.
Kasalanan ng iba? Kung ba't
Hindi
na-tempt
naman.
sila?
But what if we...
Oo. Pibibitins? Pibibitins?
Di naman kasalanan yung trend. Pero what if...
Age
Vice ganda yun, di ba? Shoutout Vice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another reference that I totally get.
Oo.
But I agree. I agree.
What if we rebrand the trend
Ano?
to what if work bestie lang? Ganun.
Ganun din
Work
yun.
bestie. Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, pwede naman siguro
Safer.
bestie. Iba pag wife eh. Like talaga, patingin ng ring.
The work ring.
But like kaka-accent ka.
Sorry.
Yes, ano yung hot take
Ikaw
mo?
muna. Sige.
Oh, akin nga, yun sabi ko kanina, lahat ng late dapat pinapatay.
100% disagree.
Lalo pag galing south, tapos...
Galing ako Ortigas kanina.
Oh, tigas.
De, joke.
So another
Alam mo ba yun?
line.
Alam mo, okay, may meme si Rondo Latre na pinicturean niya yung Ortigas na wala yung R, nagtatwinkle yung R.
nagpa-flicker yung
Sabi
R.
ni Ron,
tigas.
Nakapunta na ba kayo sa, tigas. Gumanon siya.
Shout out
Tapos,
Ron.
nag-viral yung meme na hindi alam ng tao na siya may gawa nun. So, gusto ko lang sabihin.
Shout out to you, Ron.
Kasalanan mo yun, Ron.
Speaking of Ron, he's my comedy fubu.
God damn.
Ayun, fubo, literally sexual term.
but
Pero
it's-
clearly, never.
Okay, that
Ma-
proves your point. Yeah,
Diba?
that term can be whatever you want, pero if it's not threatening, then
If it's not
it's
threatening.
safe, I guess.
If it's appropriate. If
Oh,
it's...
for a while din, parang medyo we consider, si Ray nagtatawag akong comedy wife. Pero kasi for a while, hindi na kami nag-shows. Mas okay,
With Baus.
Pero when I was starting, tapos parang, wala namang Tapos, our partners, our friends.
That's
wala rin
true.
naman silang suspicious.
Right.
You know, parang, tapos hindi rin naman kami siniship. But, I don't know. May ganong
I do get it.
thing.
Good example.
It's really,
yun,
it's
yeah.
energy. It's a case-to-case basis.
Yeah.
Pero if ginagamit mo yung comedy, yung parang work wife or work husband as an excuse to
wild.
playfully flirt with
That's
someone.
wild.
If obviously may mali siya.
So what you do with it, I guess.
Obviously, merong mali siya.
Mali siya. Truly.
Anyway,
So the
Ikaw.
take is late people.
Okay. Hindi.
late
Yung-
people should be crucified. Yung ba?
Lalo pag J yung start.
But I agree, there should be a punishment for late people.
Not in the Philippines. We're punished enough. Yung hot take ko talaga, kinito ko rin kanina, yung, I don't think there will ever be truly famous people. Ngayon.
Elaborate.
Like, parang, there will never be, like, people or entities as famous as the Beatles or Angelina Jolie. Yung parang, kahit sabihin mo lang yung name,
House.
alam na
lahat.
lahat. Hindi mo kailangan i-explain.
Yep.
Yeah.
Lahat ngayon, because fame has already been like made more accessible to everyone, and everyone can choose who they watch and make famous.
Yeah.
They have different worlds. Everyone has different worlds.
Kumbaga, fame has been dimensionalized already.
And
Gets.
democratized.
And democratized.
And
You choose who you
spiritualized.
call famous.
Pero yun, parang everyone who's like, anyone can, yun nga, in the same way na anyone can be famous now or any famous person can come from anywhere.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan mo na sila lagi explain.
Kung bakit sila sikat.
Oo, yung para, manood tayo ng ganito. Sino siya?
Not in a very, paano ba tawag doon? Not in a very snobbish way.
Oo, not in a snobbish way. Kasi hindi niya lang world. Kunyari,
Hindi mo lang alam.
Kunyari, Tyler, the Creator. If sabihin mo yan sa nanay ko, sino yan?
Right.
Kailangan ko explain sa kanya
Right.
kung sino yun.
Pero if sabihin mong Whitney Houston, kila siya ng lahat.
Kasi back
kids.
then, there were less,
Kasi,
the reason,
famous people.
obvious naman yung reason behind it eh. Dati ang source lang ng media ay
TV.
and movies. That's
Yeah.
it. Walang podcast.
Radio.
Walang ganyan.
Walang
If
YouTube.
walang podcasting, makikilala mo ba kung sino si Joe Rogan? 'Di ba? So parang sa akin,
Yeah.
paano ba dito? Sa pagdami ng medium or media ng modern world, padami yung sikat, pero at the same time, pababa rin ng pababa yung kasikatan nila.
Oo, parang there is less, di naman prestige, but like, it's just so democratized.
So many worlds na eh.
Oo, kasi, dito, yung, even like, sorry, back to our topic, commercials.
Oh my
And when
God.
I talk about all these iconic ads, nung time na I was growing up,
Alam natin lahat.
alam natin lahat. Ngayon, ask any kid kung ano yung commercial na alam nila. Wala. Because one, they skipped
They
it anyway.
skip it after 3 seconds.
Kasi tapos iba-iba rin sila pinapanood. Some kids watch TV, some kids watch YouTube, some kids watch TikTok. No one knows ads anymore.
I guess it's kind of like money. Like when you print more money, it loses more value. So parang when you make more pockets for you to be famous in, the word famous or a famous person gets devalued.
Yep. Like,
May
ang daming, recently may nag-like nung content ko. I didn't know who it was, pero may check. Pagka-tap ko, gago meron siyang 5 million followers.
Oh my God.
Like,
And you don't know who that is.
no!
Even when I go to creator events, na parang, I already feel so small. Kasi parang, I'm barely a new creator.
Yeah.
Pero yung nakikita ko, wala akong kilala dito.
Okay lang pala.
Who are you?
Kumbaga,
pero when I check out, pag nag-mingle na kami, we become friends. Oh, like, ang laki ng
Grabe
following niya. 15 million.
Yeah, so parang ano rin, di ba dati ang tingin natin kila Brad Pitt, Tom Cruise, yun nga, Angelina Jolie, Whitney Houston.
Gods.
Yun, like, they're above us.
Oo.
Ngayon parang, sakto lang.
But even with local stars, parang, since, kunyari, I know a lot of people watch PBB, but I don't.
Yeah.
So I don't know the references minsan ko. Sino
Right.
ba kaya? Parang,
Dati, nung nanalo sa PBB sila, Kim Chu.
that
Kim Chu
era,
was
everyone
up here.
knows.
Oo.
Na-devalue
Kim Chu
na.
yan.
No?
So parang ngayon, ang dami ng batch ng, ng PBB na lumipas. Alam ko lang the first
Pero
few
sikat
seasons.
sila.
Pero sikat
In
sila.
their own world. Reminds me of late
Agree.
night talk shows. Dati there was only one, si Johnny Carson or something. Like maybe it was one of 2 lang. So when you get to do stand-up there, you'll be a mega star the next day. Like Ellen became a star after doing a set there.
Oo.
Right. Wala na ngayon eh.
Now if you do a set sa Jimmy Fallon, it's big, pero there's so many other...
Less prestigious.
Yeah.
Eto, but I agree. Actually, iba-back up ko pa ngayon na mas mahirap sumikat ngayon.
Kasi ang dami na.
Kasi ang dami na.
Dami na.
Okay,
Yeah.
but now I feel like I can disagree also with this take. Although it's a very strong take. What if people like BTS or Robert Downey Jr.,
Yes.
they're still, I think they've become famous enough na my mom knows them, my lola, well, not my lola. Pero,
What do you mean? They became famous before TikTok, before Instagram.
right,
Ticket na sila dun eh. So
fans.
parang now, kunyari, alam kong...
Sino ngayon pwede?
Alam mo yung even us. Kasi our line of work kind of relies on fame din.
We're trying to, yeah.
Alam kong sa little stand-up comedy bubble lang tayo magiging like stars.
The
You know what I
niche.
mean? Unless we like really fight to be in Hollywood. But even then, kunyari, okay, name an actor of this generation.
I wanted to say like Kai Cenat, pero no eh. Niche din siya.
Who?
Michael B. Jordan.
Di siya kilala ng nanay ko.
Di rin siya kilala
Di
ng
siya
mga...
kilala ng band.
Sino ngayon
Sabihin
pwede?
niya, siya si Black Panther.
Damn, parang wala.
Pero A-list yun.
Even singers. Kasi everyone has a specific genre they listen to.
Not even Sabrina Carpenter's Universal, even though number 1 siya.
There can only be one famous female singer.
Si
1 to 2.
Mama Mary.
Every... Sino ang nasa... Pag binuksan ko ang puso mo, sino ang nasa loob nito?
Mama Mary.
I got that one.
So parang, yeah. I
Boy
agree.
Bunda, shout out.
Mas mahirap ngayon.
Okay, I agree na. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gusto ko lang rin magbigay
Go.
ng take na galing sa Staplers. Ito galing to sa Facebook group namin. I posted a thread there na, if meron kayo unfiltered takes, feel free to comment it below. And keep commenting kasi nababasa ko yun. Ito yung pinaka mataas na reaction.
Ooh.
Galing siya kay Alfredo.
Oh, a pasta.
Nakakatawa lang siya.
Love his work.
So sabi niya, umay sa mga Kapampangan na elitista sa sisig nila.
Okay.
Kesyo wala daw itlog, wala daw mayonnaise. Hindi daw yun authentic na sisig. Ang original naman na sisig ay salad.
Salad? What? I already know it's gonna be a highlight clip.
Original na sisig.
Hindi ko alam kung may katotohanan behind it.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Pero, hindi ko alam kung paano naging, salad ang sisig. Pero I want to give it justice kasi siya yung pinakamarami reaction. So, there you have it. Sana masaya ka, Alfredo. So, for the next episode namin, mag-send in lang kayo ng mga unfiltered takes. Hindi ko alam, meron akong unfiltered take ngayon. I guess yung pinaka-unfiltered take ko na lang ngayon is sana kung magmumukbang ka
Nang dihon.
Huwag mo na i-ASMR siguro.
Ay, kontra ako dyan.
Kasi okay, ganito na lang. Ito na pala. Kung magmumukbang ka, tapos i-ASMR mo.
Fuji Denzo.
Mag-ASMR mukbang.
So, kung magmumukbang ka, at gusto mo siyang samahan ng ASMR, make sure na pag ngunguya ka, nakatikom ka. Yun lang yun sa akin.
Ooh.
Hindi siya, ganun siya. Ganun.
Ibang ano ko dyan. I think, di ka mababother with the chewing if the mukbanger is attractive.
So many good
Okay, I
takes.
guess-
Sir, kasi I watch ASMR mukbangs, tas ang requirement ko lang dapat yung hindi ako mandidiri. Na. Kasi my favorite mukbangers, they're really pretty. Or like,
I think
guwapo.
you need that. Kasi ayoko rin makitang kumakain
Yung parang maaawa ka na lang pag baboy-licious din
Hawa.
yung kumakain.
Sabi ko mga lods!
Oo, tas ang grasa ng mukha.
I only watch those lang. I only watch the ugly,
What a fetish.
disgusting.
Ayan.
What do you want?
Okay, but a really good take sesh.
Okay.
Itong episode na to. Sabi ni Judd,
No shipping taken people.
no shipping taken people. Sabi ni Isa,
Wala nang magiging household famous anymore.
wala na magiging household famous. Challenge accepted.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Leland Lim in Africa.
This is Wala Edit with Leland Lim.
Hoje Denso.
Alright.
Ayan.
Tama yan, partner.
Alright. There you have it.
Ayan. Nag-follow ako. Ano pangalan niya? Norbert something.
Yung laging dilim yung
See.
No, the kid. Sikat siya ngayon. Kid siya na sumikat din siya sa rally kasi magaling na siya mag-content. Bata pa siya. Anyway, whoever that is. Tapos meron siyang content na ginagaya niya lang yung mga host kasi nag-host din siya.
Ayan.
Kasi live niya ginagawa.
Oh.
Alright. Ayan.
Okay, partner.
Alright. Ayan. Okay. Dito na tayo sa walang edit question
Ooh.
na binigay ni previous guest
Si
Julia
Julia
Richards.
Richards.
Of
Ano nga yung
Prisello
tanong niya?
fame.
Of Prisello. Ano nga yung tanong niya, Judd?
Haircut. If you were to
Okay.
have one haircut forever, can't change it, what would the hairstyle be? For example, she would do yung undercut. She would do a wolf or undercut.
Gets.
Ooh.
One haircut forever. I guess, sakto siya sa I've been coining this hair.
Coining
Ano
it.
tawag dyan?
Di na ba? I don't know. It's just, I'm just letting my hair be naturally long and straight with a little curtain bang.
Curtain bang.
Para lang.
Yeah.
That's
You know
some
the fame-
Shangri-La curtain bang.
So that's
Alam mo
the one.
yung because of the famous hair, yung the iconic hair theory,
Ano yun?
na you're more likely to be famous
Iba yung hair mo.
if you have a very distinct hairstyle.
Yeah.
Generic na sa
Like, Atsuko.
Atsuko has a bowl cut. Kumbaga, ang thinking nito, yung character design mo, kung gagawin kang costume for Halloween, ang clear nung hair,
Ganda!
clothes,
Yeah.
bottoms.
My God!
Kung may prop ka. So, kunyari,
Kaya sa akin.
for example, si Red, di naman niya sinasadya. Pero mahilig lang siya sa kimono and his hair happens to be long and curly.
Right.
So, pag nag-costume ka na red,
Alam mo agad.
Versus like,
Pag nag-costume ka ng Andren, mag-t-shirt ka lang ng metal. Tapos
Yeah.
maligo
Balbas.
ng 1 week. Oh.
tapos red horse.
Red horse. Tapos depression.
Oo. Tapos shotgun sa mukha mo. Diba?
Kung si Baus, yung printed.
Si Baus.
Dahil
buhok
kung
niya.
makinis ang aking bosses, naka-printed shirt.
Glasses.
Alam ko na po ang iniisip niyo.
Pwede mag-news reporter si Baus. Parang nahandito po tayo ngayon sa EDSA. At
Compared to like, kunyari, si Lenny. Wala siyang, sorry, pero you just know her for
She
pink.
needed the
meron
pink.
siyang housewife hair.
But
Siba, how would you describe it?
Yeah.
How would you costume Lenny?
pink lang eh.
Right.
If it weren't for the pink, paano?
Right.
Like, anyone with an iconic mustache?
Mag-isip kayo. Please comment anong bagay na haircut sa akin kay Judd.
Reverse Hitler mustache.
I was gonna say,
Butas lang yun.
mustaches then and facial hair.
facial hair. Si
James
GB.
James
GB.
Harden.
Notski. Tapos meron siyang facial hair. Si
Din eh.
James. Iba din.
Kalbo.
Chemical pa sila pero iba-iba sila eh.
My
Gets.
God.
Sige.
Gets ba?
Mag-iisip ako nung sa akin.
Ayun.
Ako, I need to cover my
Face.
8th head. My 8th
Nandito
head.
yung hairline ni Judd.
I'm not balding. It's just really, my forehead's huge.
Show them.
No. That's
Show them,
for the
John.
Patreon. If ever may Patreon
Wala,
tayo.
di tayo. Pabuti natin ng 1K yung members natin. Tapos gagawa ko ng stapler merch. But
Yeah.
anyway, since sinagot mo na ang aming
Okay.
tawag dito, walang edit question. Ano ang iyong walang edit question for
Wala.
the next guest?
Di ako nag-ready.
We can... No, I don't know. How can we stall? How can we stall?
Hindi. Sige.
Kaya ni Isa yung improviser.
If you were an appliance,
Ah!
what would you be?
Ang ganda! Bawal stapler.
Yeah.
Appliance yun!
Oh, dapat
You're an
stapler.
appliance.
Bobo.
What would you be and why?
Okay.
Pwede, sino next guest niyo?
Okay, that's a good question.
Should we answer it? Like,
No.
no?
Kaya ako nga sinasabi dyan para patapusin na yung episode. Tapos, hindi, sige, let's talk about
Bitin
it.
pa ako. I just
Malamang
got
late ka.
here. We're ending already?
Yeah. But thank you so much. Again, thank you for the time.
Thank you so much, Isa.
I guess time is the most precious thing in the world. And sa lahat ng naging guest namin, maraming salamat. At,
Yes.
yun
Am
nga.
I your favorite?
Ha?
Am I your favorite guest?
Tingnan natin.
But yes, apologies for being late, Isa.
And panoorin nyo si Isa sa lahat ng improv shows.
Yeah.
Baus and Isa Show, follow nyo on Instagram. Housemates Improv, follow nyo Instagram. Isa Birds, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Comedy Manila.
Yes.
.ph/shows. Nandun lahat ng shows namin. Judd Gregorio. Whatever.
At Komea Pansit B.
Yes.
Fuji Tenso.
And open a BPI account in Shangri-La.
Yes.
You'll see
Or
Isa
anything.
there.
Oh, yun.
Sa tapat ng copy department. Di ko alam kung legit yun Coffee department baka naman.
This is Shang ba?
Siyang. Sa siyang ko
Sa
nakita.
tapat, sa baba siya.
Sa baba siya.
Second floor yung Department of Coffee.
Department of Coffee.
Yan.
Coffee department.
The DOC.
The
the
DOC.
DOC.
The doc. The doc. Anyway, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusupport ng podcast. Keep sharing. Keep posting. Keep tagging me and Judd. Tag nyo kami pag nag-share kayo kasi hindi namin nakikita pag di nyo kami tinag. And at the same time, please support our content, our comedy content online. Share them. Madaming magaling na comedians ngayon. All they need is your support. Please share their content online. Yun lang. And see you sa shows. Wala nang edit-edit. Post na natin yan. Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.